Hello guys, what's up? I'm joining here with my new little friend named Beautiful Rosie too. She says her voice is cracky. Is gonna forgot to shout her out. So shout out to her. Her channel's gonna be in the link in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna join her right now. What happened? Join ma. I'm gonna join you. Okay. Where? You're in the game. You're in the game. Yeah, this not. I'm in night right now. Sorry if my mouse is glitching. Hey guys, I don't. Say hi to you and say hi to you too. See if she entered now. We're great friends. We're role-playing sometimes. Like, I'm in a boy's account. Yeah, okay, my brother. Okay. I'm hacking my brother. I'm so bad at this. And the other one was really me. But okay, I always roleplay in his account. But I don't care. The one who he was roleplaying as, it was really him. I'm trying to... Yeah, I joined. Okay. Okay, it's time. Yeah, two of us are half Spanish. Yeah, just tell her that down in the comments below. Yeah, I forgot, if you not subscribed, leave a like, subscribe, whatever you want. Now, I'm gonna continue. I'm Emma, okay. Or Mike. Or Mike. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little fun clown here. Oh crap. Yeah. Yeah, I'm alone. Everybody's sleeping right now. It's like in the morning. Oh God. Shoot. Yeah. They call me the tomboy, 'cause this is my first time with my brother's account. Yeah, I have the same voice as him. I don't care, 'cause it's my life. You don't own my life. You know that? You don't own my life. You know that. I'm gonna try to shoot. I can't. And Goes. Shout out to Kitty Goes Meow. Hashtag. AKA Rosie. Pigs. Pizza. Pizza. She's the one. I'm the man boy. Not the one touch. Not the Yeah, we're just yeah. Yeah, we're just next to each other, is not no problem. Yeah, oh, I got something. I want to see what weapons I have. Yo. Oh my god, my voice sounds horrible. Don't tell me it's a bad one. Is it a picture? Ooh, it's gonna be fun trolling her. Let's go. My head looks so disturbing. I don't. Same. Say, is it then the intro? Cause yeah, I'll leave. I don't know why we're laughing, but we're laughing. I don't really care if she's not funny or not. She's just really a friend of mine. You do. Hey, baby. She's gonna be shook. Hey, baby. Really? So hot. There you go. Sorry, kids. Shoot. This girl keeps killing me. Okay. Okay. I didn't finish. Oh, yes. Got it. Ooh. Captain Hook. Oh, Foxy the Foxy. I will have to edit music. Not me. Not me. Not me. Everybody's asleep. I can handle it. Sorry about I'm a little bit sick. Please don't touch me. Don't judge me. Yeah, hell no. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. You can. Hey, you don't go. Tell him to die. Yeah, 9 minutes. I'm gonna wait a bit longer. I just finally 5 minutes. Ooh, bro. You got this. Argentina para siempre. Yeah, I told him to tell his brother to die. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, fair. Yeah. Yeah, that's too much. Yeah. Yeah, we're just being dumb and stupid. Yeah. Yeah. Narwhals. Dude. Die. I love this girl so much. Side. Sidekick.